Well, welcome to another episode of Cool Places Across America with CNL. I'm Chuck. Lori's inside doing a little work. We're off on another adventure this weekend. Leroy won't be going with us. He's going on a doggy vacation, so you won't see him in this episode. But Lori and I have some business down in North Carolina we got to take care of. But while we're down there, we're going to explore South Carolina a little bit more. And we're hoping to do Congaree National Park as well. I know we can't do video in there, but we'll see if we can get some good still photos and see some other sites. That's coming up next here on Cool Places Across America with CNL. Okay, so Lori and I got to our destination late last night. It was really late. The traffic was really bad on I-95, so we just kind of went to bed when we got in. But now we're going to go to breakfast. We're at the Fairfield Inn in Lumberton, North Carolina. Okay, breakfast is done. Typical Fairfield Inn breakfast. Now it's time to go room and pack up and get on the road. And as we're driving, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and smash that bell. Now, let's get back to the show. Okay, so we're on the business part of our trip and we had some time to kill, and you saw that we stopped in one of our favorite places, Spilt Milk in Ocean Isle. Got donuts, great coffee, highly recommend it. But now we got a little bit more business to do, so we're gonna head off, get that business done, and hopefully get on the road to Congaree National Park or something else. As you can see, going into Spilt Milk, it's been raining all day, so I don't know how the national park will be later today. But we'll see how it goes. But for now, we're off to our next stop. Okay, that was neat. Just a quick stop in the Habitat for Humanity Restore. But now we're off to the next stop. Okay, we got sidetracked a little bit there. We went into the Flamingo Consignment Store. Lori was getting some ideas for what we're down here on business for. Some really neat stuff there. This is just outside of Sunset Beach, North Carolina. But now we're off to our next stop. Well, it's the next day. Our trip yesterday went very long, so we never got to Congaree National Park, but It's next morning and we're driving there now. Now I don't think I can do video. There's laws about videotaping in national parks if you're monetizing your YouTube channel. Our channel isn't monetized, but maybe someday it will be, so I don't want to take that chance. But I understand you can take still photos, so we'll show you some still photos inside the park. That's coming up next here on this episode. Okay, well, there you have it, Congaree National Park. We would definitely go back there. We enjoyed it. It was a nice hike, and there were a lot of trails off the boardwalk that you could do as well. But that's where we're going to end this episode. We want to thank everybody for watching, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to this channel. And until next time, from cool places across America with CNL, happy travels.